Shimbynta jong ka jingri ka sngi pane pasai ka me mariang ni ka World Environment Day araja apsan halor ka phang padeng ending plastic pollution globally Nagalyang office jong district planning office DPO jong ka Southwest Kazil district kabahapo jong ka chief minister youth for green campaign movement menda ka sngi ka Southrik jilio araja apsan la pelong ya program blatip kum ka inter school competition hapo ka multi-purpose hall jong ka DC Latlausang Southwest Kazil district hakani ka jinga ko nakaliang ka office kala yoban pelong ya kilay tili program kata ha ka painting ka essay but ka extempore speech ha ka balawan man Shimbynta da kishpotali ki Skul ha ka jinga ko ha ka painting kiran ka nyongot ki khna Skul ha ka essay kiran ka sangot ki khna Skul but ha ka extempore speech kiran prangot ki khna Skul uba FB Basan MSc District Planning Officer jong ka Southwest Kazil District ulalong kumukongsan haringkat ka jingdon lang uba S Basa Superintendent jong ka Fisheries Southwest Kazil District uba D Singkon District Sports Officer Southwest Kazil District lemru kinohikay Skul
for the World Environment Day, which is going to be held tomorrow. I would also like to thank both the judges who have come today to be part of this program. First and foremost, I know it is not easy, especially for those who participated in extempore speech, to speak in public, but I would like to encourage you that you will have to practice. Okay? Do you feel satisfied about how you perform? Do you feel satisfied? No. So sometimes, especially when you have to speak in the public like this, you will have to prepare. That's why we have given you the topic since last week so that you will be able to prepare. If you want to be able to be a good speaker, you should always remember to know what topic are you going to speak, and you will have to prepare what do you want to speak. And I know, especially when you stand in front of everybody here, especially in front of the judges, you will get nervous, okay? But that is where it is important that you will have to practice every day. I would request the teachers especially, that especially when you see that we send our students to have these kind of programs, that these students are well prepared in advance. Because we are coming here, we are calling other schools so that they will get exposure, they will get a spirit of competition, and they will be able to perform, especially in these kind of programs. So please make sure that, especially when we call, you please help the students.